Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Since his election as incoming governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has been hosting several groups, pledging their support and willingness to work closely with his government to move the state forward. Correspondent reports that the pro-Oborevwori groups drawn from across 3 senatorial districts of Delta State are calling on other candidates in the just concluded governorship election to rally around the winner to promote unity and prosperity in the oil-rich state.
In the March 18, 2023 governorship election, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori won in 21 out of 25 local government areas of Delta State, emerging from the polls with a landslide victory. One of Oborevwori's rivals in the contest and governorship candidate of New Nigeria People's Party (NNPP), Dr. Goodnews Agbi, recently mobilized his supporters to pay a solidarity visit to the Delta State governor-elect recently in Asaba. In an uncommon display of the spirit of sportsmanship, Dr. Agbi openly conceded defeat and called on other candidates to toe the path of honor and congratulate Right Honorable Oborevwori as winner of the just concluded governorship election in Delta State.
Of 25 local governments, you won 21. And I keep wondering why some of our colleagues, after that landslide victory, they still want to go through the rituals of courts and tribunals. I keep wondering. I think at this time, this is the time for all of us to rally around you so that you can move this state forward. We of the NNPP believe that the election, no matter how it is, so just like everything in life, we cannot be saying it's 100% perfect. But from all indication, it was election whose outcome reflects your popularity in the state. We are not ashamed to say this. Election is a contest. But your popularity has proven what we are seeing today. The result is because you are a grassroots person. The votes from the various local governments shows that you are somebody that is accepted by all the people of the state.
In his response, the governor-elect assured Deltans that under his watch, governance will be anchored on the principle of service to God and humanity, adding that no one will be left behind in the running of state affairs.
Power belongs to God, not man. He has used the people to vote me in. We'll do our best. As you have come, continue to support me with prayers and advice. The door will not be shut for you. At any time you want to cancel us, which are going to be part of the government, we will listen, because I've told Deltans that I will listen to them. We will achieve more and do more.
The E.K. Clark Solidarity for Good Governance is one of several groups that have expressed solidarity with Right Honorable Oborevwori. BOT chairman of the group, High Chief Mike Usige, who led other members of the group on a recent visit to extend the felicitations of elder statesman Chief Edwin Clark, also called on all governorship candidates to throw their full weight behind the governor-elect in his quest to take Delta State to greater heights.
The message to other contestants: this victory is a landslide victory. So they should come and join the governor-elect to work together so that the state will grow and develop.
Apparently humbled by the goodwill demonstrated by Chief Edwin Clark, Right Honorable Oborevwori promised to visit the elder statesman before his inauguration as governor of Delta State.
He's our father, the father for all. Now that I've won, he knows that you continue to advise and guide me because he's someone that is very experienced, and time to time I also reach out to him.
Members of the Delta State Council of Traditional Rulers also visited the incoming governor recently to felicitate with him on his electoral victory. During their visit, retired Major General Mujakbero Aho, the Oroje of Okpe Kingdom, who doubles as chairman Delta State Council of Traditional Rulers, assured Right Honorable Oborevwori of their support.
We have no doubt in our mind that we will move the state to a higher level. We will continue to support you and support the program so that we will move the state to the higher level.
Right Honorable Oborevwori in his response acknowledged that prayers to God Almighty offered by the royal fathers during his campaign were instrumental to his victory, while promising to run an all-inclusive government.
The battle was tough, but the support too was organic. Yeah. Went around to see went through the 3 senatorial districts, met with traditional rulers, and they prayed for me, people prayed for me. And this is the result of that prayer. I want to assure you, I've told Deltans, I want to be governor for all Deltans. No ethnic nationality will be neglected. I will serve the people.
Most Deltans voted for Right Honorable Oborevwori in the March 18, 2023 governorship election on the basis of the leadership qualities he has demonstrated as Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly in the last 6 years. Others considered him the right man for the top job on account of his humility and street credibility. In appreciation of their love, the governor-elect has promised to implement to the letter his social contract with Deltans, designed to make governance more relevant to their needs as a people.
Inside the Niger Delta,